Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely brilliant Aprilia RS4 125. Here we have an Aprilia RS4 125. This is a 2016 bike on a 66 plate with just 14,553 miles, 3 owners from new and having had a recent service in 2022. This bike is in good condition and comes with the Moto GP style stubby exhaust, as you can see there. It's a Marco Melandri Replica. You can tell that because it says Marco on it, and the number 33 obviously famously used by Marco Melandri. Although if you are a 17-year-old thinking of purchasing this bike, you probably don't know who I'm talking about. Front tyre's got loads of life left in it there, and the forks are in good condition, as are the wheels. All the bodywork here on this side is in fair condition. There's a very, very light scratch there just by the Aprilia sticker. Hopefully you can pick that up. And again on the belly pan, but generally speaking in very good condition for a 125cc learner legal motorcycle. Yes, believe it or not, this bike is learner legal. The rear tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. Get the tail tidy there. The RS4 tank pad, some fancy red alloy levers. There's a couple of scuffs on the mirror, which you would expect, and again on the indicator. Front of the bike's in great condition, just a few very light stone chips there on the sticker with the number 33 graphic. The mudguard's all good, the rest of the bike there, absolutely fantastic. Couple of light marks on the mirror, but again, to be expected. Nothing on the bar end or that red lever. This side of the bike, yeah, good condition, no scuffs, scrapes on this side. Absolutely superb. If you're looking for a learner legal bike, it's a little bit bigger than your average, CG 125 or CBF 125, then this could be the bike for you. 4-stroke engine, 125cc, learner legal. Looks really cool. I mean, looks like a much bigger bike. The handling on these things is absolutely outstanding, by the way. They really do handle really well. Not loads for sale at the moment, and if you're after a learner legal sports bike, it's a fairly limited market. And this one, well, it'd be a good option for you. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful RS4 125, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.